Welcome to Ensure Safe Consultancy. In this video, going to cover about Apply Workplace Safety and Health in Process Plant, OSH.
The Apply Workplace Safety and Health in Process Plant, AWS-HPP, is a mandatory training course tailored for individuals working in high-risk environments like the oil and petrochemical industry. It equips participants with the skills to identify hazards, implement safety measures, and comply with workplace safety and health (WSH) regulations. By focusing on practical knowledge and regulatory compliance, AWS-HPP ensures safer work practices, reduced risks, and enhanced operational efficiency in process plants.
Like, share and subscribe to Ensure Safe Consultancy.